I came to Miami for one reason and one reason only: to stay at Unframed Miami Beach, an Autograph Collection hotel. If you're not familiar with the Autograph Collection, it's one of Marriott's brands made up of independent hotels, each with its own personality and design. And because this is a new hotel, there really isn't much out there showing what it's like to actually stay here. So, I booked it for the weekend. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I just checked into Unframed. It's only been open for a couple of months now and it is absolutely stunning. So I'm excited to just take 2 nights to be here. No agenda other than to relax before I head up to Orlando for work. So let me give you a room tour. The next morning started the way every morning should start, with a good cup of coffee. The only thing I had planned today was to visit From the Heart to the Hands, the Dolce Gabbana exhibition before it closed. What I appreciated most about this exhibit wasn't just the fashion. It's the craftsmanship, the creativity, and the incredible amount of detail behind every piece. After returning from the exhibit, I changed clothes, I read a little bit, and headed up to the rooftop to grab something to eat. I ordered the fettuccine burrata with a half petite chicken, and it was absolutely delicious. I highly recommend. Before checking out, I spent a little more time exploring the rest of the property. There are 4 things I wish I knew before booking that might help you decide if this hotel is right for you. First is the destination fee. For now, this destination fee is $55 a day, but with that, you do get some pretty decent perks. I know with a lot of hotels I stayed at before, the destination fee is not worth it and they be hustling. But I think this is $55 well spent. That fee included a $28 daily food and beverage credit. You also received admission for 2 guests to either the Wolfsonian FIU Museum or the Art Deco Museum. The fee also covered 2-hour bike rentals per day for 2 guests, 2 beach lounge chairs for 2 guests, enhanced Wi-Fi, and for Marriott Bonvoy Gold members or higher, an additional $5 in food and beverage credit. I think if I have to pay a destination fee for $55, you get a decent amount. So I'm not mad at that at all. Second thing to know is that the fitness center is currently under construction, but should be opening soon. The third thing to be mindful of when you're booking your stay here are the balconies. Please keep in mind when you book this, the balconies are all connected and the only separation you have between yours and your neighbor's balconies or patio space are like 3 to 4 planters. Just know that people have the ability to come over to your patio, so keep that in mind. The balcony curved around so you could see into my bathroom as well. And so at night, with the bathroom lights on, I realized that you could actually see through the shades. So because of the level of visibility, I actually felt a little uncomfortable showering with the lights on. So I actually took a shower in the dark. And number 4, the shower itself. If you have mobility or balance issues, please be careful using the shower. The shower seat slides around as soon as there's water on it. The shower floor and walls become incredibly slippery when wet. And there are no grab bars in the shower. The 4 things I shared aren't deal breakers for me. They're simply things I wish I had known before booking, and hopefully that additional context helps you decide whether Unframed is the right hotel for you. Thanks for checking in. I'll see you in the next one.